Hey, what's up, YouTube? Truth Peace, year 1997. I'm gonna change my name to Religious Speaker. I don't like to prove a lot of Christians wrong. Actually, I love to do it because being in the category with Christians while I'm Seventh Day Adventist, I gotta show them, like, hey, if I'm gonna be categorized with you, why don't we just do what God at least tells us to do? Am I right? You know, one of my viewers asked me, I mean, since you're so smart, why don't you tell them where God says don't be a faggot or don't do any of this? What I'm gonna start doing in the comment box or message me, message me what you want me to tell you, and I'll show in the Bible where it's at. So one of my viewers, I forgot his name. It must be like cock something, pretty faggot thing. But hey, thanks for viewing me. Thank you so much. But here, Leviticus 17, chapter 17 and 18. Number chapter 18, 2 to 15. It's really not that long. The Lord said to Moses, speak to the Israelites and say unto them, I am the Lord your God. You must not do as they did in Egypt, where you used to live, and you must not do as they did in the land of Canaan, where I am bringing you. Do not follow their practices. You must obey my laws and be careful to my decrees. I am the Lord your God. Keep my decrees and laws, for the man who obeys them will live by them. I am the Lord. No one is to approach any close relative to have sexual relations. Do not, I am the Lord. Do not dishonor your father by having sexual relations with your mother. She is your mother. Do not have relations with her. Do not have sexual relations with your father's wife. That would dishonor your father. Do not have sexual relations with your daughter, either your father's daughter or your mother's daughter, whether she was born in the same home or elsewhere. That means, a lot of people, they like to date their step cousins, step sisters, or whatever. The Bible's saying it doesn't matter where she's at, you can't date her. Or where she born at, you can't date her. Do not have sexual relations with the daughter of your father's wife. Born to your father, she is your sister. Do not have sexual relations with your father's sister. She is your father's close relative. Do not have sexual relations with your mother's sister, because she is your mother's close relative. Do not dishonor your father's brother by approaching his wife to have sexual relations. She's your aunt. Do not have sexual relations with your daughter-in-law. She's your son's wife. Do not have relations with her. Now here, next part. All right, here we go. Do not have sexual relations with your brother's wife. That that would dishonor your brother. Do not have sexual relations with both a woman and her daughter. Do not have sexual relationship with either her son's daughter or her daughter's daughters. They are her close relative. That is wickedness. Oh yes, right here. I'm gonna get to the part. Do not lie. Do not lie with a man as one lies with a woman. That is this detestable. That means yeah, basically that means that means don't have sex with guys or whatever, as like you would have sex with a girl, or don't sleep with a dude as you'd sleep with a woman, because to God that's detestable. In other words, that is not allowed. Thank you very much, and